Hey guys, what is up? It is like 4:30 in the morning here. We're saying goodbye to the East Coast and hello to the West Coast. We're going to Seattle! Yay! So now I'm gonna go back in time a little bit and we're gonna go to yesterday and we're gonna watch the pack with me. So, past Grace is gonna jump on the screen now.
Okay, to start off, we have a white jumpsuit that I rented off Fashion Pass. You'll notice that I have a lot of neutral colors so that I can easily mix and match outfit combinations. For bottoms, I brought gray joggers, black leggings, blue jeans, and a black belt. I wasn't sure what the weather would be like, so I rented this white puffy jacket from Fashion Pass as well. I also brought my lighter shacket from Amazon that I love to layer. Moving on to PJs, I brought 2 shorts and 2 cozy tops. For my tops, I brought a black wrap top, a black loose V-neck sweater, and a black tank top. All of my undergarments and socks fit in my laundry bag. During my trip, I'll use this bag for dirty laundry so the clothes can stay separate. Finally, for a pop of color, I brought 2 scarves.